Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you basics of video editing. So here is our layout of our Premiere Pro. This is the workspace, and if you want to create a sequence from here, just click here, left click, and then click sequence, new item, and click new sequence, and then right here, sample. After that, we can drag and drop the sequence from here to here, or which portion we want to keep, we'll keep it from here. If we double click here, it will go open up in a source monitor. It will be open up in a source monitor. For example, if we want to keep a portion from here, we'll press in, and then to here we'll press O for out, and then we'll press comma K. So therefore this portion will be inserted into our sequence, and if we play it, it will be open up in a, now we are seeing it in a program monitor. And if we want to scale it to the frame size, we'll just scale it to the frame size if the frame size is different. Now for the same thing, if we drag and drop here, and here the frame size is different, sequence settings, this video sequence settings this clip does not match the sequences settings. So if we want to change the sequence setting, we'll change the sequence settings, or want to keep the existing sequence settings, we'll click existing sequence setting. After that, the portion we want to keep, we can simply drag and trim like this. If we move the mouse here, we'll trim like this. For the empty spaces, we'll press delete to delete the empty space. Or we can trim these down. We want to cut here, so you can do this by the razor tool also. If we press V, it will, with the direction selection tool comes up, and select these two things for delete, so it will be deleted. You can also trim this by the add to edit also. Here I have customized the shortcut Q, add to edit, but the default add to edit option is Ctrl plus K. Okay, Ctrl plus K is the default add edit option. Now if we want to make a voiceover here, we'll click here. Okay, we'll delete this, there is no audio in here. So if we want to voiceover here, just click here. You can see the recording starts. This lady is swimming under the swimming pool. After the voiceover, we'll press again this button, so there is the audio generates. Recording starts. This lady is swimming under the swimming pool. We can make a voiceover here. We can edit the audio also here in here. And if you want to mute any audio, you have to press the mute button here. And if we want to disable this audio video here, do not want to see the video or disable the video layer here, we'll disable it. So this is the names of video layers and this is the names of audio layers. Video layer 1, 2, 3. We can add the video layer from here, add track or add tracks. Add tracks after video layer 4. And we can also add an audio track here. This is the panels where you can see the audio levels. If the audio plays, so you can see the audio levels here. Hello. You can see the audio levels. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with a new topic in the next lesson. Thank you.